Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you this pumpkin wreath that I made for my front door, and I used just $3 worth of Dollar Tree items. If you want to see how I did it, keep watching. Thank you for visiting Home Cents with Nell. Here on my channel I talk about DIYs, product hauls, gardening, and basically everything related to making your home your sanctuary all on a budget. If that's your thing, please subscribe and leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. So I was so lucky when I went to Dollar Tree a few days ago. I found this pumpkin wreath form. I have never seen it before, and there were actually only 5 in stock, so I went ahead and grabbed it. It's 3-dimensional and it's made out of metal. I also picked up this buffalo check, navy and white fabric. I thought it was very cute, and I've actually never seen fabric at Dollar Tree, so I made sure to grab a couple of those. I only ended up using one on this project, which was $1. I unrolled the fabric and cut it into 2-inch wide strips. I also picked up this beautiful burlap flower bouquet. The flowers have a lot of detail. There's 2 different layers of petals, and then the green leaf foliage is pretty realistic looking. So I grabbed one of those for $1. I also happen to have some oak leaves and pine cones from another project, so I took those from that project and I'm gonna put them on this pumpkin wreath form. They also do have oak leaves at Dollar Tree if you want to spend an extra $1 for a total of $4. So I began by wrapping the buffalo check fabric around the frame of the pumpkin wreath. I wrapped the entire circumference of the frame, and then I wrapped the columns and the stem. Remember to be very careful with the hot glue, guys. I had a hot glue accident when I did my fairy garden DIY a few months ago. I'll leave an iCard above if you want to see that. So when I did this project, I was super careful not to burn myself. I even used the stem of the flowers so that I wouldn't have to touch the hot glue. So now that everything's all covered with fabric, I decided to go ahead and start embellishing the pumpkin wreath with the oak leaves and the pine cones. So here I'm just deciding which direction I want to lay the pine cones. And also which direction I want to arrange the leaves. My goal was to have it look pretty, but not too overdone. I wanted to keep it kind of simple. So at this point, my pumpkin wreath looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it, but I do feel like it could use a little bit of greenery. I decided not to add the burlap flowers. I was going to save those for another use, but I did use the foliage beneath each petal. And there's the finished product. I think it came out really cute for a total of about $3 from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be happy to hang this on my door for the whole fall season. And I hope you guys like it as much as I do. And if you decide to make one of these wreaths, please comment and let me know. I would love to check it out, maybe see your channel, or maybe you can send me a picture. Once again, I want to thank you for visiting Home Cents with Nell. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It will really let me know that you like the content. Until next time.